Are you looking to kick off an amazing cloud architect career? If so, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Michael Gibbs, and I'm the founder and CEO of Go Cloud Architects, and we're an organization dedicated towards building high-performance cloud computing careers. I made this video in response to a rumor that's been floating around out there in the certification community, and it's a rumor that's very dangerous and can cause people to spend 6 months or 9 months studying that will keep them away from the ultimate job they're looking for, their cloud architect job. And because of this, I wanted to make a discussion on opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is a term used by business, and every business makes their decisions this way, where they look at if they place an investment of time, people, or money in one location, and they place their money and time and people in another location, which one is going to yield the most profitable results? That's what a business does. So if you can invest $1 million in project 1 and $1 billion in project 2, project 1 nets you $3 million and project 2 nets you $500,000, invest $1 million in the thing that's going to make sense. Project 1 that's going to give you $3 million. Well, the same thing happens to your career, and the same thing should happen to your certification portfolio. I heard a rumor, and it's such a dangerous rumor, I want to address it. I coach my people and I say, look, when we build presentations and we build resumes and we build certification portfolios for you, what we're trying to do is give you a competitive advantage. We're trying to make you look better than the average person in a similar situation so you can get the interview. And then we try and coach people to have enough depth of knowledge and the perfect interview skills so they can win at the interview. But let's talk about making that resume look good just so you can get the interview in the first place. And then we'll talk about the rumor that's been perpetuated that can be very damaging to many people, and that's why we're making this video. So as a rule, if someone does not have experience, they're going to have to build a portfolio that looks really great. Say for a cloud security architect, they're going to need to show both the knowledge of the cloud and both the knowledge of security. And a portfolio to do that might look like a certified solutions architect professional, which shows some moderate cloud knowledge, and say a certified ethical hacker or a CISSP, which is going to show some great security knowledge. You send a resume like that to your recruiter, and it's for a cloud security architect, and you will get phone calls because it looks good and it looks strong. Now combine that with experience, combine that with architecture labs, combine that with other things on your resume and building a good brand, you will have an amazing career. Now here's the dangerous rumor. There's been some certification providers that have convinced people that in order to pass a certified solutions architect professional, first you need a cloud practitioner, then you need a certified solutions architect associate, then you need some kind of DevOps associate, then you need a SysOps associate. Now granted, they're selling a lot of training courses, but let's look at the opportunity cost of your career. All of these certifications, no matter how simple or not, are going to be very hard to do. Why? Because the people that make the test work very hard to make the test challenging. And if you want to pass a DevOps test and you want to pass a SysOps test, it's going to take you, if you do it honestly and you're not using dumps, about 3 months per test, and that's going to cost you 6 months. And the people that are perpetuating the concept that says if you study the SysOps and the DevOps, it's going to help you a lot with the exam, well, maybe you'll get 2 or 3 answers right on the certified solutions architect professional from doing all this DevOps and SysOps, but it cost you 6 months. 6 months that you could have been earning $600 a day. So don't do that. Instead, do the following. If you know you need the certified solutions architect professional, work on that. If you know, for example, you want to work in the network side or the security side, during those 6 months, learn that specialty skill. So let's say you wanted to work on cloud security. Do the certified solutions architect professional and at the same time start working on the security. See, when you start working on the security certification, it's going to help you a lot with the certified solutions architect professional. It'll explain to you IAM or AAA, whichever term you like to use. It will explain security frameworks. It will teach you encryption. It will teach you IPsec, which is encryption of traffic, but some other things as well. It'll teach you about firewalls. It'll teach you about VPN concentrators. It will teach you everything. And then when you have to do these things on the cloud, they're super easy. So the shortest path to the destination from point A to point B is a straight line. So we hate to see people take detours on their path because it costs them an opportunity cost. So let's evaluate this again. If your goal is to pass the Certified Solution Architect Professional because you need to show that you're cloud hireable, great. Go from the Certified Solutions Architect Associate straight to the Certified Solutions Architect Professional. One step. You don't need multiple steps. And for that extra training time that you would spend doing other associate certifications, which are not that valid to employers, spend it learning exactly what you need to for your career, and you will have an amazing career. Now, there's another reason I don't like a lot of associate level certifications. First, it is the opportunity cost. It takes an incredibly long time to do all of them, and it's not going to benefit you in your career. The second reason I don't like them is because for us hiring managers, we know the associate level certifications are kind of like an introduction, like you just about almost have enough information to get started, but we're going to have to teach you a lot. It's kind of like the kindergarten or first grade of the cloud architect world. And if you go take 4 of them and you've gone to kindergarten 4 times, it shows that you're great at going to kindergarten. But if we need someone that's got that college level experience and we're looking for professionals and we see 3 to 5 different associate level certifications, we still think you're a beginner. So it's not going to help you in your career, and it may even hurt you. So not only did you lose the opportunity cost, the hiring managers are often going to say, if this person wants this, and they want to be cloud security, what are they doing in DevOps? What are they doing in SysOps? Are they confused? Are they mixed up? I want someone that's focused and capable and ready to do that job. So they're going to hire someone with a more focused resume. So it can hurt you in 3 ways. It takes your time, it takes your money, and it makes you look unfocused. So if you have a goal and you have a dream, map out the plan and run as fast as you can for it. And when you get stuck, get help from anyone that can help you. That's my advice. That's how we've coached our people to build the best careers. And I produced this video specifically because sometimes the best things that I can do, even for my students, especially the smart students that want to learn a lot of things, is basically to teach them to focus on the things that matter the most, be great at everything you do, and the world will love you, the world will hire you, and the world will pay you more. Be the best and stay that way. Let me tell you about some free services offered by Go Cloud Architects. Every Monday and every Thursday, we have a free webinar. And on this webinar, we teach you everything that's necessary to get your first cloud architect job. We teach you what employers want. We teach you the things that should be on your resume. We teach you how to build a certification portfolio based upon your goals. And we teach you what it takes to get hired. We do this completely for free on Mondays and Thursdays, and we spend an hour after our presentation where we even answer your questions. Now, every Tuesday, we have a free Cloud Architect Experience webinar, and we talk about what it takes to get valid experience that employers will like so you can get hired and you can become incredibly cloud competent. Most Wednesdays, not every Wednesday, but most Wednesdays, we have a live stream on YouTube where you can ask us any question related to your cloud architect career, and we will answer them for you real time. We also have a free AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate ebook. I'll leave the link in the description below. We have a free AWS Certified Solution Associate e-course. I'll leave the link in the description below. And our team is getting ready to release an AWS Advanced Security book and an AWS Advanced Networking book, and we're going to release them completely free. We're going to leave the links to these 2 books in the description below. Finally, I want to talk about one last free service that we're offering, and it's called the Ask Cloud Mike. I'll drop the link to my email. We want to do everything we can to assist you in your cloud computing careers, and we know sometimes you have questions and you just can't get one on one of our free webinars to ask. So you can email us your questions, and if it's related to cloud architect career development, we will make a YouTube video for you, or at least we'll try, but sometimes we get a lot of requests, and we will make a video and we will release it on YouTube within a week or 2. And that way you can have answers to your questions on our YouTube channel. I have to say it's such an honor and a privilege to be part of this cloud architect community and to be able to present videos to you and be able to interact with all of you. It's a wonderful experience, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity. I look forward to seeing you in another video very soon.